This is my filming setup that I use to create content for my YouTube channels. I have these two LED panels and they are controllable. You can adjust your level of light as well as your temperature of the light. This is a DIY project. This is made from an old microphone stand or holder. Then I screwed on this floodlight, and using this switch it turns on. In this case it shines the light on the ceiling and then fills my workspace just the way I want it. You can rotate and switch it any way you want it. That's the purpose of this microphone stand. Over here I have my camera stuff, gadgets, tripods, mounts. This is the Ulanzi tripod. This is an also Ulanzi desktop mount. It can extend all the way up to here, and this thing can also extend, I believe, up to here, which then later on I mounted the microphone, pop filter, microphone shield, and this is the accessory for another phone which I from time to time mount to record audio and depending on the purpose and need. This is the phone holder. This mount was originally made for camera, so it has the load capacity of around 5 or 6 kilograms, I believe, but it suits me very well, and everything I shoot on my Galaxy S23 Ultra. There's also this mini studio over here, which I use to shoot some videos from time to time when I need it. And that would be all. If you have any questions, comments, please leave them below so we can discuss it. Thank you for watching.